My name is Sean Frost. I'm the Director in Sales and Marketing for Polo Custom Products. We're a global manufacturer. We have 3 facilities in the U.S., so one in Monticello, Iowa, one in Topeka, Kansas, and then one in Louisville, Mississippi. And then our corporate office is here in Topeka. It's been a really incredible hidden gem here in Topeka, Kansas that not a lot of people are aware about in the community. We serve 4 different industries. We work for some of the biggest medical device companies in the world. So some of the things that you see in your hospital or in doctors' offices and hospital beds, we make some of the mattress covers and different items that are in those offices for the big brands that you see in those rooms. For instance, we make fluid collection bags. External male catheters are one of our biggest products as well. So when it comes to sewing, this is really industrial sewing. We sew all types of materials, but we're talking thick leathers for power sports and saddlebags that you know on some of your favorite motorcycle brands. So this is a saddlebag where you can see this is a very thick leather where we're binding different materials together. We source all the materials from different suppliers. This is an example of our RF welding. And so we will seal these areas together. We seal these components on there. We attach the tubing to these devices. And then we also have a thermoforming example here where we mold custom material or custom designs to hold different devices. This is a product that a lot of people are likely familiar with. This is a Normatec boot that you've seen probably pictures of LeBron James or Patrick Mahomes using. And we helped design this with the customer, and it uses several of our capabilities. So obviously there's some sewn components, but inside of these boots are sealed bags that inflate and then decompress. And so they help with recovery for athletes after a big game and help push the lactic acid, down the leg and in sequence. One of the ways that we actually innovated in kind of the fire and safety and military space was we worked directly with the government to design a chemical patient wrap. So that's what I've got in front of me here. And this is some hardcore heavy duty materials that basically when somebody has been involved in chemical warfare and they are injured, they can be put into this. They're able to breathe in air, but the chemical agents are not able to escape, and no one else will get exposed to the chemical agents that they've been exposed to. What's really special about working in this job as a salesperson is getting to work with all of the smart people that are basically designing the products of the future. It's incredible to sit around with these inventors and these engineers and these designers, get our people, our smart people to the table, get their smart people to the table, and they come together and essentially end up making the products that we find in our hospitals and that provide comfort for patients, provide safety, and it's really magical to watch it all come together.
Sudden Nova, sponsored by Topeka Auto Glass and Home Instead.